Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick and simple video showing you how to install a SIM card and set up an eSIM on the new Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So we'll go ahead and get started with the SIM card. First off, you do need the smallest SIM card, so that's a nano SIM, and then a SIM ejection tool, which should come in the box. Failing that, you can use something like a paperclip and just unfold it and use that instead. Your phone can be switched on or off for this. You just want to go to the left hand side of the device and you'll see about 2/3 of the way down the SIM tray with a hole there. Go ahead and take your tool, pop it in, and the tray will pop out like so. Then using your fingers, pull out the tray and you can see there the SIM card tray. Just take your SIM card with the contacts facing towards us, go ahead and pop it in like that. It will only go in one way because of the little cut off there. And then if you need to take the SIM card out, there's two holes on the back you can use to pop it back out. So with the contacts facing towards us and the screen facing towards us, go ahead and pop it back into the slot and make sure it is flush with the phone so that you keep your water and dust rating. And if we give it a second, you can see there we now have connection. So that's how you insert a SIM card. And to install the eSIM, it's also very simple. Just head into your settings. So pull down, go down into settings, then into mobile networks and internet. Tap the little plus icon here and it will tell you there about downloading a eSIM. So go ahead, hit that, hit next, and then give it a second. And you can either scan the QR code or tap need help and you can enter in the code manually. That's how you set up an eSIM and install a SIM card. If you guys have any questions or problems, do go ahead and post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, please hit that like button down below. It really helps out the video and the channel. And if you're new, consider getting subscribed over here on the right for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.